Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Beary Christmas Suite of products. We're going to be using the Designer Series paper, the Memories and More card pack, and the Memories and More cards and envelopes, as well as some of the one of the deckled circles dies, okay? But of course, before we get started on our project, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our Warm Wishes paper pumpkin kit for November. You have until the 10th of this month to subscribe to get this kit. That's going to make 8 boxes, okay? It does have an add-on available of 20 cards with coordinating envelopes for $14. And the item number for that is 163985. And you do have to be a paper pumpkin subscriber in order to purchase any add-ons. Okay, and then next up we have our host code for the month. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me, unless your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let me start off by telling you we are going to be using the November 2023 sketch for sheet load of cards from Call Me Crafty Owl. Okay, so this is a free PDF that you can download from her. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can see how to get this free printable. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a card base here from the Memories and More cards and envelopes that I have cut down to an A2 size, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're just gonna burnish that score line there with our bone folder. And then I have some basic white here. I don't remember the size of that. Oh, I think the measurements for everything will be on Call Me Crafty Owl's free PDF, okay? So I have all of my Designer Series paper that I'm going to need for this card, and we're just going to go ahead and put it together. So let me see, this was one piece, so now I just need to line it up the way it's supposed to be, which is like that. We're going to separate it and glue it down. I love using card sketches because sometimes I run out of good ideas. And a card sketch is just like a recipe if you're cooking. Somewhere to start. It's just a starting point. If you want to add something, take away something, you know, it's up to you. I think this is supposed to be like this. Yeah. You don't have to do it exactly like the sketch or the recipe for that matter. It's all up to you. I'm going to get my silicone craft mat here because I do believe these pieces are going to go off. And I don't want to get glue everywhere. Come on. And we're going to just space these out. Ooh, not that much. Space these out a bit. I'm going to put these 2 coordinating ones on the outside and then put the last one right in the middle of these 2. Okay. And the one in the middle matches the top and bottom. You can do it however you like. If you want them to all be different, if you want them all to be the same, it's up to you. It's your card. So however you like it is what you need to do. Okay, so we have that done. Now we're gonna take some scissors and trim this to make it even. So I'm just gonna turn my basic white cardstock over so that I can see where I need to trim the Designer Series paper. And that's that part. Okay, so we're going to take this and glue this down to our card base. Come on, glue. Now I am making mine's a landscape card. You know what? I don't think I was supposed to cut that off. Was I? I don't even know. It's cut off. Let me look at the sketch. Oh no, I did it right. Okay, I did it right. I did it right. Okay. So if you want to, you can have yours be portrait, but I'm going to have mine landscape. So I went ahead and die cut. Which one is this? I think this is the 7th. If you're starting in the middle, I think this is number 7 of the deckled circle dies. And it's cut out of our cardstock vellum. And I'm going to just place that in the middle. And then out of the designer series paper, I cut this image out. And we're going to pop that up with some dimensionals. This is going to be a no stamping card. So it's very easy to put together. Don't really require a lot. I know I'm using a lot of product. However, if you don't have, like, you don't have to use something with the Memories and More cards and envelopes or card pack. You can use whatever you have. So I'm just cutting some dimensionals here to fit the smaller areas of my image. So we can make sure that everything is popped up here. I don't want anything to be left out. Okay. So we're gonna just lay this on our circle. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. And remove the backings to our dimensionals. So happy to have some fingernails. I can use my nails. Let's see. I want that about right there. And the reason I put this on before I stuck down the vellum to here so that I know where to put the glue on the back of here. Because I don't want my adhesive to show. But it needs to come out in order to be effective. Did I miss a dimensional? No, it's sticking. Uh-oh. Got a little happy there. I think that should do. Because my glue is not acting right. I think I grabbed the wrong one. So we're just going to put that right here in the middle of our card like that. And then I have the sticker sheets from the card pack, the Memories and More card pack. And we're going to use, I was thinking to use Warm and Cozy, but I could use Joy. I think it'd match better. Let's see. I didn't even see that there. It's so small. Oh, I think I want to use that. So what I'm going to do, come off of me. Maybe. I can't get it to stop sticking to me. Okay. We're going to put a tiny dimensional on the edge, on the end here. I guess now I need it. A piece of dimensional there, because we're going to have it sitting on top of here, just like this. Maybe, or should I have it up here? No, I want it to be like that. Just like that. I think that's cute. That is our sentiment for this card. And then we have some bling. So we have the glitter sequence from, I think it's part of this suite. I do believe they'll come in blue, white, and old olive. Okay, that one doesn't want to come. So let's get our take your pick tool. And I think I'm going to use the olive. Yep, I think we're going to go olive for this card. Let's see. I want to put bunch of bling. It's hard deciding where to put my bling. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put some. Where do I want it? 5, 6, and one more. Where should this one go? How about we put one on the tree? There. That is our card done, you guys. Okay? Isn't it cute? I love it. And this, again, is the Memories and More card pack in the envelopes and cards. Okay? That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.